Welcome to Jack Fishing TV. So another fishing session again, and another episode. So as you can see, I'm at home right now, and I've finished the fishing session for this morning. So I went there early morning at 4 a.m. So by the way, today is November 9. So we went there, and the weather is not that good because the wind are strong, and high waves, high tide actually. And I thought that I will not land any fish, or I will not have any bites, and unexpectedly we had landed a fish. So I'm gonna show you the video. And before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification button so that you will be updated with the new videos that I'm gonna upload. And please don't forget to like the videos. Alright, so here it is, and enjoy watching. Amazing, enjoy. Fish on. Maliit lang. Fish on. Finally, we had a bite. Finally. Oh, it's big. I think it's big. Around 2 kg. Kingfish, finally. Yes, we had a fish. Surprisingly, we have landed a kingfish. Yes, amazing.
A few moments later.
So we have a bite again. As I have said, I'm not expecting to have a bite anymore, but still we have a bite. foul hook. Not it's like a foul hook, it is a foul hook. Yes. We have landed. Uy, uy, uy. Same size. Same size. Yes. Amazing. So, ito yung gamit natin. Lure. This is what we're using. So, this is the lure that we're using. We're going to weigh the kingfish that we caught today. And so the 00. First fish. So it's first fish, it's 3 kg. Now let's try to weigh the second fish. 00. Second fish 2.6 kg, so it's like 2.6 kg. So good thing we have this, but the batteries are low.